come before you to honor a great man, Dr. Penn Pershing. He was the lead scientist that was in charge of using cloning to help the resurrection of the emperor. He attempted to use the blood of Grogu, otherwise known as the Child, when he was given access to him. But he failed the Empire twice. He was always willing to, you know, so he fit. So I feel that even though the good doctor was given another chance, yeah, it was only a matter of time before someone from the Empire killed him. Sadly, 3 years after his most recent appearance and the beginning of the series. So, what I mean is, 3 years after his initial appearance in the in the second episode of the first season of The Mandalorian, he I believe it was episode 3 of the new season 3 that he was killed, or at least mentally, by the Mind Flayer, technically used by a fellow member of Moff Gideon's crew. Or, yeah. But, like I said, in the eyes of the Empire, it was a just kill. It was a necessary kill. Um, Odds are, if the New Republic would have come to their senses, he maybe would have helped them. He maybe, if they would have asked, did you figure out a way to clone the Emperor or anybody of the Empire, he would have said yes. So he would have been able to come up with a way to either destroy his work or come up with new to possibly, you know, resurrect. Who knows? Maybe research they could have used to resurrect anyone from Yoda to anyone else. So, by killing, mentally at least, Dr. Penn Pershing, yes, his first name is Penn. Yeah, I feel after he had given over the cylinders and the crew of Moff Gideon found out about it, I feel he was already dead, because it's only a matter of time, because you don't fail the Empire twice and get to live about it.